In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple customers in QuickBooks. If you need to add a large number of customers at once, importing them can save you a lot of time compared to entering each one manually. QuickBooks includes a built-in import tool that makes this process fairly simple, as long as your file is formatted correctly before you upload it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to check so the import goes smoothly. To get started, sign into QuickBooks and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon to open your Settings and Tools menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps a lot of the setup options, including the feature you need for bringing customer information into your account. From that menu, select Import Data. This will open the area where QuickBooks lets you bring in information from external files. Once you're there, find the drop-down menu and choose Customers. After selecting Customers, click Import to move to the next screen. Before you upload anything, take a moment to download the sample file provided by QuickBooks. This is an important step because the sample file shows you the format QuickBooks expects. Matching your file to this layout helps prevent errors during the import process and makes mapping your columns much easier later on. Open the sample file and compare it with the file you plan to upload. Make sure your customer data is arranged in the same kind of format, with the appropriate columns and information lined up properly. Even small formatting issues can create problems, so it's worth double-checking everything before moving on. This is especially helpful if you're importing names, company details, addresses, or other customer records in bulk. Once your file matches the sample format, go ahead and upload it into QuickBooks. After uploading, QuickBooks will ask you to map your data. This means you'll connect each column from your file to the correct customer field inside QuickBooks. Take your time here and make sure each field is matched accurately, because this determines where all of your information will appear after the import is complete. When the mapping looks correct, complete the import, and that's it. Your customer list should now be added to QuickBooks in bulk. That's all there is to it. If you follow the sample file format and carefully map your data, importing multiple customers into QuickBooks is quick and straightforward.